Morning all and welcome to today's live challenge. Today it's going to be a difficult one and it's not for everyone, this one. It is headstand crunches. So it's literally getting into a headstand position and then bringing the legs fully up and then bringing the knees into the chest sort of stomach area. It's difficult, it takes a lot of balance, but I'm sure some of you out there will be able to do it and I can. So I've got a good chance of winning maybe. Right, I'll demo it first. And then we'll do a quick warm up and then we'll get into the challenge. So the first thing to do is get into a headstand position. So you need quite a bit of room. If you're not confident, make sure you're not going to fall over onto anything. So here we go. Headstand position, legs fully up in the air, locked out. And then we bring our knees in to roughly where our chest is and then back out. That's one rep. Okay, right, quick warm up and then I'll get into it. If you saw my last post, you'll know I'm a little bit hungover today, which you don't hear me say very often, and I'm hoping this will clear my head a bit. So yeah, I had a couple of glasses of wine last night, only the second time this year, and I'm feeling it. Almost limbered up. So I'll do the handstand so you can see my face and you can see the pain and agony in it. Right, off we go. Headstand crunches. What a time to pick a hard exercise like this. Right, that's the first part. Ooh. Right. 1. Whoa. 16 reps. If you're comfortable with it, give it a go. Post your scores, or ideally post your videos, but do it safely. Be careful. See you in a bit.